everyone, good morning. I will introduce my friend.
And she name is Nabila Salsabila.
And she name is Joyce Kartika.
You can call her Nabila.
You can call her Tika.
She come from Kedamin Hilir, Teluk Barak village.
And she come from Nangasamus village. She is 15 years old.
Her favorite color is blue and purple.
Her favorite color is blue.
Her hobby is listening to music.
Her hobby is cycling.
And her ambition is to become ICO.
And her ambition is to be a successful person.
Her favorite food is noodle.
And her favorite food is fried chicken.
And her favorite drink is iced tea.
And her favorite drink is matcha latte.
Nice
to meet you.